Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Ali here.
Hi guys, Mohid.
So, welcome to our channel,
K2M
Toys, Unboxing and Reviews. So, all of us are very excited again because we got some more new Nerf guns here. But they're from AdventureForce, so yeah. So we got this. So over here we got these two guns here. These two pistols. They have three. You can put 3 bullets. We got this weird rifle right there. A rifle, I guess. So you can put 2 bullets in this thing, and you can store some on the back. The good thing is it comes with 97 bullets,
And it says 100 pieces set.
include 3 dark blasters and 97 bullets, so it's 100 things.
Yeah.
So now let's get opening. So shoot. So in order to open the top, you push this button back here. You push it, it automatically opens. One, give the bullets. We need the bullets. Okay. So we need 1. So you know what 2 bullets in here? We're going to do.
So we're gonna race. First we have to try this out.
And this is the storing place.
Yeah.
Show. So yeah, you
It
can
doesn't
put
look
4
like it.
bullets in here, which yeah, you can see you can fit 4 bullets easily. Yeah, you can easily fit 4 bullets. It may be it can only fit 4 bullets. So yeah.
So first let's test that out, and then we're gonna race this gun and that gun.
So the weird thing about this gun is that in order to hold it, it's not like this. You hold it from here on the top, and then you hold your hand like that. So
Can you stand here and try it?
loaded it. Now I'm just gonna shoot from here. Ready? Whoa! It shoots
That's
really
good.
fast. I could barely see the bullet.
So let's take a race. Hey, you have a bullet.
I know, but okay.
Oh, that's a good thing.
So at least I'm gonna shoot that good. Reload.
It goes a little bit slower.
You have to.
Oh, yeah.
rotate. This gun shoots very fast. I think it hurts too.
Bye bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and have a good day. Bye.
Bye.